Hi and good day to everyone. And thank you for choosing to watch this video. Your feedback is always invited. And once again, thank you for your support. The property is 100% freehold and the deeds are clean. Added another song towards the end for a smile. Welcome, and thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at one of the best value rural homes currently available in Bulgaria. If you've been dreaming about your own space in the peaceful countryside, where you can enjoy wide open skies, lush gardens, and a relaxed lifestyle, this might be exactly what you've been searching for. Today, we're walking you through a Bulgarian property for sale in Sadina village, just outside Popovo in the Targovishte region. From the start, this is a genuine, untouched property listing. No misleading photography, no hidden defects, just an honest, straightforward opportunity with real potential. This home is set in the mature and well-kept village of Sadina, which offers quiet charm and practical living. It's not a ghost village. It's a lived-in, loved community with shops, a post office, municipality offices, and more, all within walking distance. Picture waking up to birdsong, walking to the shop for fresh bread, enjoying a village where kids can play outside safely. Sadina offers that balance. Ideal for families, retirees, or anyone seeking peace. The Bulgarian property for sale sits on a flat plot of about 1,700 square meters. It's usable land, perfect for gardening, a small pool, animals, or just open space. It's sunny, accessible, and private. Inside, the layout includes a wide corridor and 2 rooms on the first floor, 3 more rooms on the second, and an annex room off to the side. Whether you want bedrooms, an office, a workshop, there's space for it. It's flexible, bright, and welcoming. Now, it needs work. The plaster needs patching, the windows may need replacing, and the wiring should be checked. But the bones are solid. The structure is sound, the roof is strong, and you're not dealing with someone else's poor renovation. What you see is what you get, and that's a good thing. I believe this is fantastic value. Not just because of the price, but because of the location, the garden, and the potential. It's untouched, which means you get to make it yours. Concerned about repairs? Don't be. Nyama Problemi Limited is a licensed building and property management company based in nearby Popovo. Whether you need renovation help, maintenance, or long-term support, they are ready to assist. You can find them at www.bg.house. They've helped countless EU and non-EU buyers. They speak your language, understand your concerns, and take care of the process. Buying a home abroad can be stressful. With them, it's not. EU citizens can buy land directly. Non-EU buyers may need to form a Bulgarian company. It's a small extra step, and Nyama Problemi Limited will walk you through it. The team behind bulgarianproperties.co.uk is also there to help. The site is new and growing, offering transparent listings and great support. Even better, they now offer mobile apps for Apple and Android. Browse on the go, save favorites, and follow up instantly. Back to the property. It's located just off the village center, close to everything, yet private. You're within walking distance of shops and services, but not disturbed by noise. Imagine retiring here, or raising a family, or just having a base for summer getaways. This property offers that. With some care, it could be a warm, functional, and welcoming home. As it stands, it's a blank canvas. And with Nyama Problemi Limited behind you, the process becomes manageable, even enjoyable. You don't need to know Bulgarian property law. You just need a dream, and the right support. We've seen plenty of listings in Bulgaria. This one stands out. It's genuine, affordable, and full of space. A large garden, an honest structure, a peaceful setting. For 15,000 euros, you're getting a lot. A home, a garden, a community. You're buying into something with real heart. Whether you're looking to grow food, write a novel, adopt pets, or simply rest, this place gives you room to breathe. Here's your next step. Visit bulgarianproperties.co.uk to see more. Email sales at BG House or call +359 879 876 653 or +359 876 711 319. Ask your questions. Arrange a visit. Explore the possibilities. Thank you for joining us. We hope this walkthrough has given you a clear picture and maybe even sparked a little dream. We look forward to welcoming you to Sadina and helping you turn this wonderful opportunity into your new home in Bulgaria.
Fields of gold, birds of song, quiet light, relax and calm. I can't afford to live in Bulgaria. What am I waiting for? I can't afford to live in Bulgaria. It's time to go. It's hard to leave what you know, but once you're gone, you'll be whole. I can't afford to live in Bulgaria. What am I waiting for? I can't afford to live in Bulgaria. It's time to go. That move, settle down and live again, and live again.